Alright guys, this is, I don't know what day it is, part 2, part 3. I've taken, zoom out, okay, taken windshield wipers off. It uses a 9/16 wrench to take those out. I started to glaze, putty some of the little dings on here, sanded it down a little bit. I'm not done yet. So on to the front, I'm going to take the lights off today and the tail turn signals, and I'm going to try and get the front bumper off so I can get to this area. Like I said, I took the windshield wipers off. That one was a pain in the butt because this has a collar, a grooved collar. Let's see, zoom in. Let's see if I could. Come on. All right. Let's see if you can see. There's grooves in there. Anyway, this goes in like that. So be careful with the grooves. Don't wear them down or anything. So now, I think I might leave this here. I'm not going to mess with that. I'll just get around it because I think I might go ahead and paint that. I'll cover that and I'll paint that anyway when it gets painted. That's it. I don't know what else to do. It's still kind of cool today, so I'll probably won't be able to get that done tonight. And then I'm gonna see if I could start seeing what I could do with this side. I might start taping the windows so I don't accidentally send those down. What the heck? Okay, and I'm going to take that off. I'm going to see if I can start cleaning the vent. Take that off. I'm going to take that off. And I'm going to start ordering. I already ordered this rail guard. So we'll see if that comes in. I mean, I won't need it immediately. I just want to have my parts in here already, so I don't have to be waiting or anything. So as soon as I take something off, I go ahead and order it new if I need to. Oh, the rain rail. I'll be doing that this weekend. It's supposed to be nice and warm. The end of the week. So this weekend, I heard another cold front's coming in, and it's April. It's coming up to be mid-April. So, and then maybe Saturday I'll take the cargo thing off. So lots of work, but I'll get it done. Anyway, I'm gonna order new LED lights, although those still work. I have a couple of bulbs out, I think 1 or 2 out, but they still work. The reds one in the back, they all work, but I'll just go ahead and get LEDs. I might get the turn signal LEDs. I'm not sure yet. Let's see if how well I can clean those up. That's it. Oh, and maybe the turn signals that go here, along with the side rail, side guard. I might order those LED. Yeah, I mean it works. I don't want to keep that out. Pain in the butt if that leaves, if that goes in there. There's no way. I have no way of accessing that unless I take the inside stuff out. I don't want to do that yet. So a lot of work, and that's it for now, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Alright, so I'm taking 180 grit sandpaper, and I already done some of it, but since I had the windshield wipers in the way, now I can get in and get into the areas. So, but all right, that's it for now. Just continue on.